First, you're gonna grab the handle, then inhale and push through your whole foot, keeping upright posture. Pull the handle towards your torso while you exhale, and lean slightly back to keep your core engaged. After a full pull, always return to your starting position and inhale on the way. This is a row machine. It's a very powerful, full body cardiovascular piece of equipment. This is the seat. This is where you're gonna slide back and forth. You need to adjust your foot straps so that they're nice and tight against your feet. And this is your handle. This is the working place. We're gonna show you how to use it. She's coming really far forward, which is excellent. She's got a very strong pull on the way back. She's not leaning too far back and keeping her core engaged the whole time. Excellent job, Katie, you're a rock star.